let's try. It's a little tight here. I didn't clean the glass and there's a lot of humidity. And I see this windshield has been replaced already. It's got a lot of glue. Alright, now let's go to the other side. I'm going all the way here. So next time I have to clean the glasses because sometimes they're dirt, especially when the guys hear smoke or the condensation is low. Alright guys, let's play this guy. It's gonna rain. I don't know, I just be nervous when it starts a bit cloudy. Right there. You can make a turn. You can just leave it like this now, because you're gonna play. Remember, this one is the prototype, the first one, so I have to just, I'm gonna solve when the product is finished. It's just, this is, I always testing the prototypes to the limit because I want to see what's going on with each design. Okay, and they got a lot of glue in the corners. You go slow, you don't want to snap the line or break the glass. I know for some people move too many moves, I mean competitors, but I mean I like this one because it's cheap. And people say cheap sometimes not better, but this one does. Okay, now we're gonna just try to don't catch. There's a lot of glue. When these guys put too much glue, this is exactly what happened. We got the urethane probably stuck. It's stuck with the headline. There you go. And we're finished. Okay guys, so we're done. I use this one because my U, I'm making my own U lock, so that's why. Okay guys, so we finished with this guy, so we're gonna lift it up with the Panther. I use these guys because when I have a fleet services, I can use any tool, but in the end, 3 or 4 of these guys, or 6, you finish tire, no matter what tool you use. But when I use the Slim Fit, it's only charging the battery and that's it. I can replace 2 or 3 times the battery because sometimes they consume a lot of power, but your body, your back, say thank you. Alright, so let me just close this door. And alright, so remember you gotta keep this one straight. That's the deal. Alright, and this point. Okay. Because you're gonna keep straight and this way, so you count in 1, 2. Most of the time it's 2 fingers. Right, and I get my control right here. I never tested with the all the way up. I'm gonna see what happened. Okay. Right, not bad. Let me get my section cut. Maybe no. Is my hand. That's it. Let's go down. Sometimes when you're doing this, like go all the way down, is when you're consuming more power. But I mean, we got a plenty of those M12, so it's not a big deal. See, I don't harm my back. If I have 3 or 4 of these guys in one day, or maybe 10 in a month, man, my back say thank you. All right, there you go. No. Alright guys, so we're ready, and that's it. Okay guys, so let me just clean it up. Just put the urethane on. We're back. So remember, we have a problem. The windshield is not the same one. The bracket is a different design. That one is different because they gave me the wrong VIN number. We're gonna fix that now because this truck has to go tonight, and we ordered a new one, so we'll be an OEM, but I have to just leave this one on, and now I have another one. They have broken glass, but it's for this car, so they gave me the wrong one. So the next time I'll do the R9 on this one to put in the other one and get the OEM for this one, but I have to just do R9 later. Okay, so that's where we fix this problem. So I'm gonna just leave the mirror as is right now. I'm not gonna put the mirror on here because, you know, the OEM is gonna be probably tomorrow or 2 days, probably maybe Friday, so they're gonna keep this car without move. Next time I come in, I do the R9 on this one. We use this one for the other one needs because they gave me the wrong one, and that's it. Alright, sometimes it's happening, and believe me, I'm not promoting it, but when I have here 2, 3, or 4, 5 of this Promaster or Transit, man, this slim fit saved my back. Really does. Alright, so let's put all together, okay? So, an announcement, next week probably everything will be, not everything, some couple of my 3D things will be available on the website. So the only you have to do is buy your own 3D printer, and that's it. You can just play with your stuff, okay? So let's play. I'm not gonna put the fingers. Just by eye. Yum. Alright, so let's do it. So what I like with this system is because you can go far away from the point you're pulling, so it's more easy. Run around, walk around, not run, just walk, and it's more easy. Okay, now what I'm doing here is retracting this guy. I have more room. There you go. And you can do cross your arms. You can just lift it and change. That's the good thing with this thing. But I like to do this one right here. You see my 360. There you go, papaya de Celaya. Nya, nya, nya. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Alright, now because I very close to my van, let me walk behind here. This is because my fall, I put the truck too close. Alright, all the way up. There you go. And here, down, and right there, put in the corner over here. Okay, so we got that one in. So we got this one here, it's nice. And let's play now with this part. And we finito. Okay, right there. And you can put the tapes on after you put these guys, and we finish. Okay guys, Alright, so we're done. We set the glass, the VIN number is good, no mess around, urethane is good. Now remember, you saw the problem with the glass, you say, oh, this guy screwed up. No, they gave me the wrong VIN number. Okay, so we're doing is the other VIN need this one, the 2862. We're gonna do R9. I'm putting in another car when I have the OEM for this one. Okay, so you see, clean, because this is the problem is the bracket, different one. Okay, so this one will be OEM, the other one is the 2862. We're using that one for the other truck. Okay guys, thank you so much. Now remember, for the next week or 2 weeks, you have some files available to just download and print it. Okay, they're gonna have a little cost, but I mean, you know, it's something just to pay my kids, because they work hard. Some of these designs, I give it the idea, they design it, so I have to give some money to them. Okay guys, thank you so much, and see you next shot, and will be available my files in the next 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in the next shot. Let's go.